Solid-state relays are a type of switching device which share the same function as electromechanical relays. Both connect high current and/or voltage to a load in response to a low voltage, low current input. Selecting one over the other will depend on your application. Solid-state relays are silent in operation and have higher frequency switching capabilities, while electromechanical relays are subject to mechanical wear and tear and use inductive coils which can generate electromagnetic interference with the load. With that in mind, IXYS integrated circuits PLA172P OptoMOS relays, available from Mouser Electronics, have been designed to replace electromechanical relays and provide bounce-free switching in a compact surface mount package. They are single-pole, normally open solid-state relays which provide an enhanced input-to-output isolation of 5000 volts RMS using patented OptoMOS architecture, controlled by a highly efficient infrared LED input. They also offer 6.8 mm of pad-to-pad separation between the high voltage output pins, 800 volts peak blocking voltage, no EMI or RFI generation, and an operational temperature range of -40 to 105 degrees C. These features make them ideal for applications such as industrial controls, instrumentation, multiplexers, data acquisition, and electronic switching. For more information on IXYS integrated circuits PLA172P OptoMOS relays, visit mouser.com.